Students, in this video we are going to solve x plus 7 over square root of x. This is equals to 50, and here we will find out the value of x plus 7 times square root of x plus 4. Here the given expression is x plus 7 over square root of x. Look carefully, in denominator we have square root of x, so we can say x is greater than 0. Now if we multiplied both sides square root of x, then in left hand side x times square root of x plus 7, and this is equals to 50 times square root of x. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then 50 times square root of x minus x times square root of x plus minus 7, and this is equals to 0. Then this 50 is 49 plus 1 times square root of x minus x times square root of x minus 7, and this is equals to 0. Now if we apply substitution, if we substitute 7 is equals to y. Now if we take square both sides, then 49, this is equals to y square. Then this 49 is replaced by y square plus 1 is multiplied by square root of x minus x times square root of x minus this 7 is replaced by y. So here y, and this is equals to 0. Now this square root of x is multiplied by inside the bracket, then square root of x y square plus square root of x minus x times square root of x minus y, this is equals to 0. Then here rewrite this expression again, square root of x y square minus y plus square root of x minus x times square root of x, and this is equals to 0. Here look carefully this expression. If we consider x is constant, then we can say this is quadratic equation in terms of y. So here value of a is square root of x, and value of b is -1, and value of c is square root of x minus x times square root of x. Now first we will calculate discriminant of this quadratic equation, and we know that formula of discriminant is d is equals to b square minus 4 times ac, and value of b is -1, so here -1 square minus 4, and value of a is square root of x, and value of c is square root of x minus x times square root of x. Square root of x minus x times square root of x. Then here -1 square is 1, minus 4 times square root of x is multiplied by square root of x minus x times square root of x. Then 1 minus 4 times square root of x is multiplied by square root of x, then we get here 4 times x, and minus 4 times square root of x is multiplied by plus x times square root of x, then we get plus 4 times x square. Here discriminant of this quadratic is 4 times x square minus 4 times x plus 1, and we know that this expression is perfect square, this is 2 times x minus 1 whole square. Here discriminant of this quadratic is 2 times x minus 1 whole square. That quadratic formula is y is equals to minus b plus minus square root of d over 2 times a. Then y is equals to minus b is replaced by -1 plus minus square root of, and value of d is 2 times x minus 1 whole squared, and divided by 2 times value of a is square root of x. Then y is equals to negative is multiplied by -1, then we get 1 plus minus this square is cancelled out by this square root, this square root is cancelled out by this square, then here 2 times x minus 1 over 2 times square root of x. Now y is equals to 1 if we take positive sign, 2 times x minus 1 over 2 times square root of x, and here y is equals to 1 if we take negative sign, and this negative is multiplied by 2 times x minus 1, then this is -2 times x plus 1 divided by 2 times square root of x. Then here y is equals to 1 and this negative 1 is cancel out. Then here 2 times x over 2 times square root of x, and this 2 is cancel out. Then value of y is x times square root of x. Y is equals to 1 and this plus 1 is 2 minus 2 times x divided by 2 times square root of x. If we take common 2 in numerator, then 2 and this 2 is cancel out. Then value of y is 1 minus x over square root of x. We have two possible values of y. First value of y is equals to x over square root of x, and second value of y is 1 minus x over square root of x. 1 minus x over square root of x. And here we know that we will find out the value of this expression, x plus 7 times square root of x plus 4. X plus 7 times square root of x plus 4. And y is equals to this x is same as square root of x times square root of x divided by square root of x, because we know that x is greater than 0. Then this square root of x and this square root of x is cancelled out, and y is equals to 7. This is equals to square root of x, and here if we take square both sides, then value of x is 49. Now here if we multiplied both sides square root of x, then in left hand side is square root of x y, and this is equals to 1 minus x. Now if we add both side x, then x plus y times square root of x, this is equals to 1, and we know that value of y is 7, so x plus 7 times square root of x, this is equals to 1. Here we will find out the value of this expression. So here x plus 7 times square root of x plus 4. Here if we substitute, x is equals to 49 plus 7, and square root of x is 7. So here 7 plus 4. If we add all the expression, first 49 and 7 times 7 is 49 plus 4. This is equals to 102. So value of this expression is 102. And x plus 7 times square root of x plus 4, and we know that value of x plus 7 times square root of x is 1. So this expression is replaced by 1 plus 4, and this is 5. So we have two possible values, 102 and 5. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.